Hello, and welcome to another video today. We are talking about top 5 unbelievable natural things. So let's start the video. Number 1. A lightning strike is a breathtaking and terrifying manifestation of nature's raw power, a violent, instantaneous equalization of electrical charge between a cloud and the ground, or within the cloud itself. It begins miles high in the turbulent heart of a cumulonimbus cloud, where updrafts and downdrafts violently separate ice crystals and water droplets, creating a massive electrical field with a negative charge pooling at the base of the cloud. This immense negative charge induces a corresponding positive charge on the ground below, turning the very Earth into one plate of a colossal capacitor and the air in between into a fragile insulator. As the electrical potential difference grows to millions of volts, the air can no longer resist, and the silent, invisible prelude begins. A faint stepped leader, a channel of ionized air, snakes its way downward from the cloud in a series of rapid, branching steps, searching for the path of least resistance. Simultaneously, from the tallest objects on the ground, a tree, a tower, a building, positive streamers reach upwards, eager to connect with the approaching leader. When a streamer finally makes contact, completing the circuit, a phenomenal surge of energy races back up the pre-ionized path to the cloud in a blinding Number 2. A starling murmuration is one of the most sublime and hypnotic displays in the natural world. A breathtaking aerial ballet performed by tens, sometimes hundreds of thousands of birds, transforming the twilight sky into a living, swirling entity that seems to possess a single, collective consciousness. This is not a disorganized crowd, but a stunning emergent property of complex systems, where each individual bird operates on a set of remarkably simple, instinctual rules. Maintain proximity to your nearest neighbors, match their speed and direction, and avoid collisions at all costs. From these minimalistic directives arises an astonishingly fluid and intelligent-looking whole, a shape-shifting cloud that contracts into a dense, seething sphere before flattening into a rippling sheet, then elongating into a serpentine river or collapsing into a vortex, all in a seamless, silent flow that defies the perception of individuality. The primary driver of this behavior is believed to be predator evasion, specifically against aerial hunters like peregrine falcons. The sheer density and constant, unpredictable motion create a confusion effect, where the predator cannot fixate on a single target, much like a school of fish evades a shark, making the murmuration a formidable defensive fortress in motion. Beyond mere survival, these gatherings, which occur before the birds settle into their communal roost for the night. Number 3. Ball ice, also known as ice eggs or ice balls, is a rare and captivating natural phenomenon that forms under a very specific set of conditions along a shoreline. The process begins when small fragments of ice, such as pancake ice or slush, are present in near-freezing water that is agitated by waves, but not so violent as to break the forming pieces apart. As each fragment is rolled back and forth by the gentle, rhythmic motion of the surf, it undergoes a natural tumbling process, similar to how a river stone becomes smooth. With each rotation, a thin layer of ice freezes onto the surface, while simultaneously the abrasive action of the sand or water smooths away any sharp edges, gradually shaping it into a near-perfect sphere. The result is a coastline strewn with thousands of smooth, glistening orbs of ice, ranging from the size of an egg to that of a basketball, a fleeting spectacle that demonstrates nature's ability to sculpt perfection through the persistent and delicate balance of freezing temperatures, water, and motion. Number 4. A Swellbot in Norway represents the cutting edge of marine robotics, where advanced autonomous systems are engineered to operate in the challenging, swell-dominated waters of the North Sea and Norwegian fjords. These sophisticated robots, typically taking the form of uncrewed surface vehicles, USVs, or autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, are designed to harness or withstand powerful ocean swells while performing critical tasks such as detailed seabed mapping, monitoring of fish stocks and aquaculture sites, and collecting vital data on water temperature, salinity, and pollution levels. developed by leading Norwegian research institutions like SINTEF and NTNU's Amos Center. These resilient bots are integral to the nation's observation pyramid, a multi-layered network of drones that work in concert from the seafloor to the satellite, providing